So this is the lake in Mount Rinjani crater. Many people camp around here. Looks like a lot of locals fishing. But this is a lot of fog sometimes, fog and clouds, and sometimes sunshine. We're a few hours up to our campsite and spend the night there, then hike down the outside of the volcano tomorrow.
Happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, come here. Your pants is so funny. Extra air condition.
Climbing the backside of Mount. What mountain are we on? Rinjani, that's right. What volcano is this time?
It's easy.
All right. Okay, go ahead. The new pathway up the backside of Mount Rinjani after the 2018 earthquake. We did it. High five. Okay. High five. All right, there goes Ellie. Up there. Wow, steep steps. Nice view.
Never again.
Never again.
Never. Four times. Enough.
Okay. Get out of your way here. Continues the way. Smile. A beautiful set of steps.
Wow. Such a beautiful view.
The last stretch of climbing up to the top on Mount Rinjani, the opposite side. These are the stairs for the last run. Made it just before dark. I think the sun is set. We're gonna get here just before it gets dark.
Ready, Dad?
Yeah, do it. You got this. Let's do it. All right. Here we go.
So please stand together.
Okay.
Because now it's so good. Yes.
See when you.
No.
That's a shot.
Oh, good.
Good. Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, really the best.
Apple juice. No?
I'm okay.
Okay, it's for me.
When you drink something as good as Jack Daniel's, you don't need to chase it.
It's whiskey like this. You cannot drink something extra, like
Right.
apple juice. Okay,
Right.
I need.
Tired, yeah. You tired?
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're here at the hike out of Mount Rinjani through the jungle. We have about an hour and a half to go, maybe 2 hours of hiking. And we stopped for lunch by the giant tree.
Yeah, this is a pretty big tree.
Best place to eat lunch is by a giant tree.
Surrounded by a bunch of small trees.
Porters and guides working hard, doing the thing. Soon we eat.
And you go.
And my hiking team.
I just want this to be over.
We're almost done.
Almost done.
Dude, I'm scared.
We are. Senaroo.
Done.
High five.
Climbed a damn volcano.
Double.
Finally.
I'm right.
Yeah, careful.
Ooh. Everything's changed. Walker?
Tired.
High fives.
Yeah. Okay, let's
Then I
take a
break my
picture.
ankle.
On this down here.
Oh, yes.
Okay, now I can break my ankle.